now we've got 4. You see 1 and 2 ship shows, but Sky Aces with their full planes in the air is something to behold. So they head out over the Hunter Valley there in now an echelon formation. Now we've got 4 different planes up there and they're all pit specials. You got the Wolf Pit Pro, one of a kind in the world, Paul Bennett in the front. He is controlling this whole act. The other boys, Jesse, Glenn and Glenn are at the back and they follow suit. You see them starting to get into a position now. So we're going into the figure 4 into a diamond formation as they come around. Absolutely incredible. These guys are inches from each other at speeds of over 300 kilometres an hour. We've got smoke on. Get your camera ready, boys and girls. Sweet sense of those like timing motors as we go round all and again. Inches from each other. You can see Big Block in the S11 trying to chase it through, all different performing. A 4-ship blue like you've seen no other. I turn out and head over the beautiful wine country here.